Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60. And today I'm going to just talk about the extra things I do for my skincare. I'm going to announce the 6 winners of my last giveaway, and that was for 3 timeless gift boxes and 3 sets of cacao oil. I'm going to go ahead and announce the winners early in this video. But before I do, I want to tell you, Jim really does thank you for the prayers. He prefers that I don't speak about what's going on, but I will tell you he's going to be fine, and he doesn't have a disease, just some issues. And, you know, I'll talk about it after it's over, but I really want to thank you very much. We definitely believe in prayers. Also, I wanted to mention in this video that I filmed this earlier in the week, I'm using that $13 mini ring light. I don't know, I don't think it looks that great, but it was kind of cloudy that day, and I wanted you to be able to see as much as you possibly can. The only thing I have on my face is mascara, navy eyeliner in the upper waterline, and I have on the Bite Agave, the clear lip mask. And I need to mention, I do have permanent eyeliner, and I've had it for probably 8 or 9 years. So I'm going to go ahead and announce the winners of the Timeless box first. The winners are, and it just so happened that the winner's name that came up, they requested, the first 3 people requested Timeless. Winner is Barbara O. The next winner is Teresa Kehoe. And the last Timeless winner is Nancy Barnhill. So congratulations. I had 4 winners of the Cacao Natural Oil and the Hair Elixir. The oil is 1 ounce and the hair elixir is 4.4 ounces. They look pretty similar in size here. So the first person that's name came up was Fire Inspector 1923. The next name was Jan Stewart. Angie Jones was the next winner. Sunny G. And the last winner is Lori Rapp. Congratulations. You know, I can't, well, you'll see why later, why I can't reply to any comments, but I will reply to the people who won, because if their names pops up the next time, they won't win. That's how I'm kind of doing it. In an effort to keep this shorter than usual, because I always want to get the most information in the shortest amount of time, I'm going to link my 2017 extras below. I do absolutely everything the same, with the exception of I don't use my myotone anymore, because my doctor didn't really want me to because of the electrical stimulation, and I had a heart that was acting really strange, but it's a whole lot better. I use the 0.5 millimeter DERMA roller on my lips. I use the 0.5 Retin-A on my neck one night, and the next night I use cacao oil. And Retin-A is the only medical grade skincare I use. I also use my Clarisonic 3 times a week. I use it every other night. And the videos that I'm going to link below, and the reason I'm doing this is because if you're really interested, you will go watch that video, and I won't take time explaining everything. The things that are new, and I think it was on February 3rd, I started using the Revive Light Therapy device on my lips. It's 3 minutes of red light therapy, and I am continuing using it. I didn't take it with me when I was gone for 3 or 4 days, but I've used it every day since, and I plan on keeping that in my routine. On February the 14th, I started derma rolling my scalp, and I would never have done it had it not been for Elle from Elle is for Living. And I'm going to link a video of hers below, and there was just some very interesting information and great documentation. I have been thrilled with the results I've received. I just do it when I shampoo, and which is every 4 to 5 days. I put Nutriox, the generic, I think it's the generic Nioxin. And then just because I always have, I use this Age Defy from Pantene treatment on top of that. And I'm just afraid not to use it because I've used it for a long time. But that's why sometimes you see hair sticking up everywhere, because I've had a whole lot of growth. It's not quite long enough to be able to show the thickness in my ponytail, but it's getting there. So I couldn't be more pleased about that. Just recently, I ordered a 0.75 millimeter derma roller, and I use that on my scalp only. And I was using the 0.5. I don't know if there's any difference or not. I'll let you know. In my skincare update, I mentioned that I quit using the Ordinary Lactic Acid 10%. I had used it for several months. I never could stand the smell, but I stuck with it, and I did not see anything at all, any difference in my skin. So I ordered two things from, I can't find it on Sephora, so I ordered it from Beautylish. They usually have a really good supply of the Ordinary. I ordered the AHA 30% and the BHA 2%, and this is a peel, and I do this every other week. I don't use Retin-A the nights I use it. I will tell you, the first time I used it, it recommends twice a week for no more than 10 minutes. First time I used it, I kept it on 4 minutes because I thought this may be hurting my skin. And the next time, 6 minutes. I set the timer on my phone, and I use it now 10 minutes every other week, and it really does the trick. I like it so much better. My skin is sensitive to oils, but it isn't sensitive to chemicals or to Retin-A. So this is something that I'm going to be continuing to use. I went ahead and bought two of them because I thought I'd like it. Something that I have not gotten in good in my skincare was I ordered the niacinamide at the same time. And I think I tried that on April 17th, and this a week later. I've used that much up, and I just like to use one item one time a day. So what I've been doing, I've been using this sometimes in my morning skincare, and sometimes when I don't use Retin-A, I'll use it in my evening skincare. But I ordered 2 bottles of this. I don't like to add new products. I figured the AHA 30% was different, but I can't think of anything I can take away to add this because I think I need everything. But I haven't seen a difference yet, but I will let you know. But April, it should be showing a difference. But, maybe, I've been doing this for a long time. Maybe this is the very, very best it's going to be. I continue to use the generic Latisse, the Care Post on my eyelashes. I try to do it 3 times a week. Sometimes I do, and sometimes I don't. But I try to because I'll notice that my lashes aren't quite as long, and I'll link that video below. Okay, on derma rolling. A year ago, I started doing the nasal labial folds and the marionette lines. And I really think I've been getting good results because as we age, our skin seems to droop more, kind of get saggy, and it's the only thing that I've been doing on those areas besides my skincare. And I'm very pleased with the results. About 6 weeks to about 2 months ago, I started just derma rolling this area of my eyebrow, and I've been really pleased. I haven't been using eyebrow products in a lot of my videos. So I don't use any serums over it. I don't do anything. I have the castor oil, but I tell you what I have noticed. I have tried some things that help my eyebrows. They grew really long. So I don't want my brows growing longer. I want them to be thicker, and I think the derma roller is helping that quite a bit. And I will link the demo below of derma rolling my lips and my nasal labial folds. And when I do use a derma roller, I don't use Retin-A. I follow up with Matrixyl 3000, both on my lips and the areas. I don't put anything on my eyebrows. But okay, I want to talk about the giveaway, because if you're still here, this is another giveaway. And when there is a giveaway, I cannot answer comments. It just messes things up. And somebody told me early on in my very first giveaway, before I did it, and they said, don't answer the comments because it's not good practice. Well, back then it really wasn't a bad thing because you didn't have that many people wanting to be in the giveaway. But anyway, I've just stuck with that. So what I'm going to be giving away, and this comes from the company, they are going to mail these to you, and they're supplying them to you. Skin Diva is going to be giving away 3 of the Skin Diva ARGIRELINEs. And I'll write Skin Diva up there somewhere. And that's what I accredit the lines, not the folds, but the lines in my nasolabial fold, my marionette lines, and the fine wrinkles around here. I just use 2 drops, pat it on, pat it there, and I do that every day. And I try to do it the very first thing when I add serums. And the other company that's going to be giving away something is Benigma, and they're going to be giving 3 full-size jars. Benigma was the very first moisturizer I ever used. And the reason I know I liked it is because it's not greasy. It goes in my skin very quickly. I subscribe and get a jar probably every 8 months because one lasts me 8 months. Right now I have mine in my refrigerator, and I've decanted both that and my secret sauce. I like that at night and Benigma in the morning, and I don't like them reversed. So because it's hot and I don't need as much moisturizer in the summer. That's just my skin. So there will be 3 winners of the Skin Diva and 3 winners of the Benigma. And if you want to be in this giveaway, just list the order of what you would like first. If you're not interested in either, don't mention either product. But if you're interested in both, put down what you want first. Skin Diva or Benigma, or just try to pick one. I mean, do both because of the way I use the YouTube random comment picker. In order to be in this giveaway, you need to be subscribed to my channel before this video goes live. Be 18 years old or older. It's an international giveaway, and it will close in 4 days. And make sure you leave the comment under this video. Remember, if you do have any questions, just go to any earlier video than this, and I will be happy to answer any questions. It is all good. You guys have a great day, and I just thank you so much. You're the best. What can I say? And you take care, and I'll see you in my next video.